Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for a healthier and happier life. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide: tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition where you hear ringing, buzzing, or other sounds in your ears without any external noise. This can be very frustrating and can negatively impact your quality of life. So, in this video, we will be discussing 5 natural ways to relieve tinnitus symptoms that you can try at home. And don't forget to check the link in the description for more information. 1. Exercise. Regular exercise can improve blood flow and reduce stress, which are both important factors in managing tinnitus. Exercise can also improve your overall health, which can reduce the severity of tinnitus symptoms. So, try to incorporate some form of exercise into your daily routine, such as walking, swimming, or cycling. 2. Reduce caffeine and alcohol consumption. Caffeine and alcohol can both worsen tinnitus symptoms, so it's best to limit your intake. Try switching to decaf coffee and reducing your alcohol consumption to see if it helps alleviate your symptoms. 3. Manage stress. Stress can make tinnitus worse, so it's important to find ways to manage it. Consider practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to help you relax and reduce stress. 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can increase stress and worsen tinnitus symptoms. So, make sure you're getting enough sleep each night. Try to establish a regular sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. 5. Use natural remedies. There are many natural remedies that can help relieve tinnitus symptoms. For example, some people find that taking ginkgo biloba supplements can improve blood flow to the ear, reducing symptoms. Others find that using essential oils, like lavender or peppermint, can help alleviate symptoms. So, those are our 5 natural ways to relieve tinnitus symptoms. Remember that everyone is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to consult your doctor before trying any new treatments or supplements. And don't forget to check the link in the description for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.